Hey guys, today I will introduce you the Dawa FTTH Fiber Optical Toolkit, the TFS 40. This box is of high quality and is anti-fall and anti-rainfall. It's used for the fiber friction. It's equally used for the loss test and the cleaning of fiber. For example, here we have our cleaning platform. We have our power meter. We have our fiber stripper. We have our screwdriver. And here we have our utility knife. We have our hammer. We equally have our VFL locator. Here we have our fiber cleaver. On the top here we have our Kevlar cutter. We have here equally we have our fiber stripper, and here we have our cable stripper. Here is our screwdriver, and in the second floor here we have our middle hand saw, and here we have our pliers. This box is equally easy to carry and equally used to protect all the equipment. Here you can close very easily.